thank you for coming, so that you can also tell the labor people we have worked, and you know we have worked. One reason I also bought it, I know you worked very well in Anambra. Forget, you see, you know, village, where you come from, but Belle envy. You know, this is how it works. Even me here, there are those in Abuja are fighting me, back Belle. Do you understand what I'm saying? So, some people, because of the level you are now, they envy you in your state. They can come out and say all kind of rubbish. Don't worry, that's how it is. It is your home person that will kill you first. Did you understand me? So don't bother about those things. I've always told people, when you are given opportunity to serve, use it and showcase what you can do. Stop criticizing somebody who has already left. You have been given the opportunity now. Show it. I'm a professor, professor well. I'm a doctor, doctor well. I'm a lawyer, lawyer well. I'm a mechanic, mechanic well. Just so we can pepper down. We are say pepper down. Just so we can pepper down. We are say pepper down. Professor, what do you do? Umano pepper down. I go trade my business. I say pepper down. So, even trader, I don't know the type of trade you, whether na spare tire, or supermarket, brewery, you are into trade, it is trading. I enjoyed you when I came to your house in Anambra. You know, when people see you, they think that you don't like good things. You like good things. I went to your house. I just stayed in your house. I looked around. I said, this man, you like good to know. Even the food he served us, my brother, let me pour my food with that one. Even the drink, I was surprised. I was telling my colleague, so this man, he like this kind of good thing like this. But when you come out outside, he didn't like person who go down that time. He didn't like this. I hereby invite you to talk to your people and commission the project. Thank you and God bless you.